Okay. Hello? Okay. Lakas na ko. Okay. Thank you. That's nice. And this is for you. Okay. Nakaset na po lahat. That's all, ma'am. Okay, very good. Any comments, ma'am? Okay. Lahat ng ito, basura. What? We didn't start last month pa? I don't care. Ma'am, wala na po tayong budget. Budget? Naalala niyo ba, nung last year, I go to China. The 1.5 million is gone with the wind. It is craziness. Nagtatayo lang kami ng oras dito. Tayo na. No! Mga magnanakaw. Remember this day, Mom. Ano yung may magnanakaw? Sakit ulo niyo.